Okay, we have to use trial and improvement to find the solution to this equation. We're told the solution is between 3 and 4. That's nice of them. That's a big help. And we have to give the solution to one decimal place. Okay. Now, because they tell us the solution is between 3 and 4, start off by choosing the number that's halfway between 3 and 4, which is 3.5, and go from there. You have to write a table of x and this thing, x cubed minus 5x. So you start with 3.5 there, put 3.5 cubed minus 5 times 3.5 into your calculator, and you get 25.375. Okay, now, not a million miles away from 34. That's what we're looking for, but we got 25.375. And we know that the solution is somewhere between 3.5 and 4. So we want a bigger number here to push it close to 34. So let's try 3.7. Why not? So put 3.7 cubed minus 5 times 3.7 into your calculator, and you get 32.153. Yeah, not bad. We're getting closer. 32, and we're looking for 34. So let's bump this up just slightly to try and get closer to 34. So a sensible choice will be to try 3.8 in here. 3.8 cubed minus 5 times 3.8 is 35.872. Right, we've gone too far. 3.8 gives you 35.872, which is too high, it's bigger than 34. 3.7 gives you 32.153, which is less than 34. So we now know the solution is somewhere between 3.7 and 3.8. So again, choose the number that's halfway between 3.7 and 3.8, which is 3.75. And see what you get. So put 3.75 in there. 3.75 cubed minus 5 times 3.75 is 33.984 something. And a few more digits there. Okay, pretty close. That's very close to 34, but it's slightly less. So let's just increase this slightly, and we should go beyond 34. So try 3.76. 3.76 cubed minus 5 times 3.76 is 34.357 something. 34.357 and a few more digits. Okay. 3.75 is less than 34. Well, gives you less than 34 when you put it in the machinery. 3.76 gives you more than 34. So we know the solution is somewhere between 3.75 and 3.76, but we only have to give the solution to one decimal place. So we've pretty much done it at this point. We know that it's going to be greater than 3.75, which means because we have to give the solution to one decimal place, if it's greater than 3.75, it's going to be 3.75 something. And to one decimal place, that 5 pushes this up to an 8. So to one decimal place, the solution is 3.8. And that's your one decimal place final answer. Yes, the more accurate solution is 3.75 something, 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 but you don't care because you only have to give it to one decimal place. And no matter what it is, it's bigger than 3.75. So to one decimal place, the solution is 3.8.